So this video is showing you how to run a Hello World project into the emulator or the actual Android phone. So let's try to create a new project. Go to the file, create new project, and then this will be the application name and this is the company domain. I will just follow my case. I am writing lmc.com. And this is the location I want to store my project. So as you can see, the Android Studio will automatically generate the package name for you, which is the combination of the company domain and the application name. Actually, the package name is something like the reverse URL. For example, www.yahoo.com. This is going to write it as com.yahoo. The application name. So I just click next. The next one is they're going to ask you the minimum SDK you want to support, the app can support. If you select the too high level, that means the app that below the API 24 is not going to able to use it. And the best part is you have the something called help me choose. And here they will show you the statistic of which API level have what community distribution. If you select the API level with 15, that means you basically can support all the devices currently in the market. If you select the Marshmallow version, roughly you can only support the 40% of the Android devices in the market. So normally I will just pick the 15 ice cream sandwich and then I will click next and then select the empty activity. And this is the one of the activity inside your app later, which normally is the default is the main activity. Click finish and then wait for it finish building. So in order to run it, you have to connect your phone with a USB cable and do some setup, or you can run it inside the Android virtual devices. So we are going to create one. Go to the AVD manager, create, and then you can select the create virtual device. And then you have a lot of options. You even can create a virtual device for the TV, for the Wear, or also the tablet. So for the phone, I just select any of it, for example Pixel 2, and then click next. And then I'm going to select which OS operating system is inside these virtual devices. So if you want the latest one, you can select the latest one, but I don't have the system image for this one. If I want to create one, I have to click the download. So for the time being, I just select the Oreo version 27 and then just click next and then just click finish. After finish creating the virtual devices, you're able to see the new devices inside the list. And here is a little button to launch the virtual devices. Just click it and then wait for it to finish running. So you can close this one first. Normally it's going to take you some time, maybe a minute or 3. Emulator just like a normal phone. You have some of the pre-installed app. However, you cannot call somebody else or send SMS through the phone because you don't have that, the SIM card and so on. So if you want to just run to test your app inside the emulator, you just click the run button. And then you have to select which devices you want to launch it. So I will select the connected device, which is Pixel 2. I just click OK, and then wait the grader build finish. After it finishes, you should able to see the outcome of your application. Ta-da! Congratulations, you are able to run your app inside the emulator. So next, I'm going to show you how you can run the app inside your Android devices. So go to you need to sum of the setting. So this is the device I use. It is the Xiaomi brand. Go to the setting. Go to the about phone. And then we click the MIUI version few times. So I already enabled the developer option by clicking the MIUI version few times. So click back, and then we go to the more, and we go to the additional setting, and then you can see we have the developer option here. Just click the developer option, and then enable the USB debugging, and also enable the install via USB, and also enable the USB debugging security setting. So different phone will have a different setting to enable the developer option. So you should check online, Google it, how you can enable the developer option according to your phone brand. Next, remember to connect USB to your devices. So go back to the Android Studio and click the Run button. You should be able to see the two connected devices. One is the virtual device we had just created and run, and then this is the connected actual Android devices, which I'm using the Xiaomi Mi Note 4. So click OK, and then wait for the process finish. Then you're able to see the apps is running on your actual device. Ta-da! Okay, this is how you run the app inside your emulator or the actual device. If after you click the run button, you didn't see any connected device from your actual Android devices, that is probably because of your driver problem. You have to update the driver using the Google USB driver. So I'm going to show you some of the steps how you're going to do it. Click the cancel. First one, you're going to check the SDK manager. Under the SDK tools, make sure you have installed the Google USB driver. If you haven't installed, just install it. And then go to the device manager in your Windows setting. And then try to search your phone devices. For me, I already can see it. So how to update it? You just right click and then click the properties. You should click the update driver. And then you click the browse my computer for driver software. And then you should click the let me pick from a list of other driver on my computer. And then you click the have this. From here, you have to search your Android SDK, which I allocate the Android SDK inside the extra, inside the Google, we have our USB driver, and then just click it and select this file and open, and then click OK. After that, you should able to see the connected device in your Android Studio. Okay, this is how you run the app inside the emulator and the actual Android devices. Thank you very much. I will see you in next video.